So this concludes the information on the pattern setups, but I want to make a few comments on them. First of all, like I said earlier, do not attempt to find and trade all of these patterns. It'll just be too much. Believe me. Just pick one currency pair and one pattern, maybe two patterns if you can honestly look at them both, or just choose one pattern and maybe a couple of currency pairs. But the point I'm trying to make is do not fall into the trap of trying to do it all, or you're just going to get frustrated and overwhelmed, and we sure want to avoid that. The reason that we've shown 6 patterns is because as you gain more and more experience, you're going to find that once you get very good at one pattern or maybe a couple, then the other ones will really start to jump out at you, and you can add them to your plan. And in this way, eventually you can get trades pretty much every single day. They really do happen very frequently. But don't try to shortcut this process. Give yourself the best chance here. Take it one step at a time. Some days you may not get a trade set up. That's fine. Just wait. Okay? The other thing I want to say is that the best thing you can do before trying any of these patterns is go through the videos on each pattern and see which one you seem to see the easiest, and start with that. Make sense? The videos are a great resource to help you get going. Please make sure to use them. Learn what to do before you attempt any actual trading. Okay? And finally, in the videos, you're going to see that quite often the video that you're looking at could just as easily be put into another category. And I talked about this earlier. Okay, and that's because a lot of times these patterns set up concurrently. They overlap. And that's great. If you start to see that, it means you're progressing and starting to see things more clearly, and that they're starting to jump out at you. Okay, good to see that. Okay, so look, have fun with these patterns. There are a lot of pips to be made using any one of them. Go out there and put 40 or 50 trades together doing the same thing over and over and over, and you'll really be putting yourself in the best position possible to truly start to be consistently profitable.